Somali, that is say almost three chapters Salur chapter. The Salur chapter is almost for us young as a Bigolishi, Mrs. Pravikunari, Yavashpaki, Yapatui, Hatupurta Kurovashi. Our sister Sarajasa Mouse Kavarokala, Sarajasuido, the Sarjiviro, and Sarjida Matabikunadi, Adavi Yola, as of the further request. As you say, Gora, Yukas jumped the sea. Yukas jumped the sea. Now, Alice cut up Duck was it? Local sauce revision water. You thought was some of that. Thousands of dollars to holy cake. It was solely cake. Because I just survived Arab. Okana the Sarjas of the start in the Valley. It means that's used that way for social. Kushunke, you will have to do one thing, that's your karaoke, the Kamas Nubokshede, then say Zara Spontan Kishari. That's a politics, the Karoli. Wakirake, Yan Tunava investment again, there's a car, all of our Novoki. Scar is Spaka Bikuni, the Holy K, Sarijasa Spalpilake, the voice of Jim Nabuka Kunoli, where Sarijasa Rashi, Sarijasa revision to Baro, and revision will be. और ना तो सिविजन स्टार्ट वाले दोस्त सबसे जरूरत दोस्त हुए मां लेकिन बे मैं वर्ड वहां पर पूरा प्राइस से चला वो फॉलो की का टेक देना और जो साल उस तक स्टार्ट तो तास ने लिखली नहीं दैट इज यूज्ड एज कंसोल तास कारण के समाज द्वारा सच्चा बिल्कुल लिखली थी अखबार केवल नोटबुक के ऑपरेशन के मदद की क्लासमेट्स तक मदद देने की कोई मदद होती अब फर्स्ट पर की नोटबुक के कारण के फिर को मंगल पर तास दुआ का रिवीजन सही था वही का so now car complete के लोग नाश्ता सजी योजना बदल गई देखो thank you so much wish you best luck car उम्र के सजी होते योजना बदल गई thank you so much wish you best luck if that is running so see you soon thank you so much
She wants something to eat. bought, Ali bought something. Ali bought something. What about? Second? But yeah, just in a page, the paper comes, size the paper comes. Oh, hop over. This is not the paper. Tomorrow, सवाल चार सब नोटबुक न करन क्लास समझ रहा है हां बाहर बोल रही है हां चार सब नोटबुक न क्या बोल मार टॉपिक न देरी करेगा यस देयर इज मोर एमा सवाल इमान सलमान से क्या कहते हैं नोटबुक आवाज दस टॉपिक नहीं करेगा सबसे बोल okay next anything 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 is used anything is used in negative and interrogative sentence. Remember, this is anything is used in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, I didn't watch. For example, I didn't. I didn't see. I didn't see anything in the class. Yesterday. Okay, what question is it? Question. How to make it? No, well, interrogative sentence below. Do you have? I did not, but what was I did not buy some. I did not buy something. Next is on the showers. Interrogative वाला जो डिस्टर्ब हो गया. हरी आ गई. Interrogative. In her notebook. Good job. Did she write anything in her notebook? Good job. Nice. Did she write? Notebook. sir. Okay, next one, sir. Welcome, baby. Nothing. Nothing is yours. Nothing is yours in positive sentences. But but it gives it gives negative meaning. Negative, but it gives negative meaning. For example, for example, for example, I want to eat. I want to eat nothing. I want to eat nothing. Hurry up, just look it down. It's enough. Okay, but topic tema salam. Dapat kita tahu. But topic tema salam. It's plus adjective. It's plus adjective plus to hurry up. Done? Okay, it is plus adjective plus to plus or plus to. Okay, now why do you use this structure? This structure is used to show how someone feels about doing something. How someone feels about doing something. Don't even talk. What the fuck? Okay, for example, it is adjectives demanded by 2 plus 1 plus 1. फिर आगे Can you stop talking? Sahil. For example, it is it is important to learn English. It is important to learn English. Next is it is it is heard it is heard it is heard to learn it is heard to learn new language. It is hard to learn new language. It is hard to learn new language. Next example, yes, come on here. For instance, it is easy to speak English. It is easier to speak English. Next up. On here, make example. Hurry up. No, this one. Hurry up, make example. Okay, once I elaborate, you become to know about it. This then from there. For example, it is easy to become a doctor. It is easier to become a doctor. Yes, next one. Hurry up, shower. Yes. It is easier to come to the class. Next one. Next, come on, hurry up. It is interesting to take English class. It is interesting to take English class. Next.
It is impossible. You cheated.
Next one, for instance, it is fun. It is fun to play cricket. It is fun to play cricket. Next one. Hurry up.
It is export to
Next one, it is good to see you. It is interesting to take English class. Yes, next one. Hurry up. Okay, let's come towards the topic. Today we are going to learn indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Okay, indefinite pronoun, it is used to talk about a unspecific person, place, and thing. This is called indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, how to define it? It is used to talk about a unspecific person, place, and thing. This is called indefinite pronoun. Okay, something, anything, and nothing. These all are indefinite pronouns. Okay, something and anything and nothing are called indefinite pronouns. These are indefinite pronouns. Okay, they are used to talk about unclear things. Unclear things. Listen to this. Indefinite pronouns. What is indefinite pronouns? I need attention. Indefinite pronouns is used to talk about unspecific person, place, and thing. Okay, something, anything, and nothing. All of them are indefinite pronouns. Okay, something is used in positive sentences. Something, anything, and nothing are indefinite pronouns. They are used to talk about unclear things. Unclear things मतलब है कि हम किसी चीज़ को sure यकीनी नहीं हो. Mungkin bisiyo, yekini diyor. Jika mungkin nothing, something, anything इस्तेमाल हो आगे बार के ऊपर सी हो यकीनी नहीं हुआ. For example, I want to eat something. The word is so from. So particular वर्ग आरसीबीया. The show और यकीनी नहीं बताया चीज़ बदल जिस from. Understand now? So that's something must feature indefinite pronouns. Or indefinite pronouns is the way that it talks about an unspecific person, place, and thing. Unspecific जहाज नहीं, whatever it is, I want to eat something. That's something the word is over. That's something situation. The indefinite pronoun shilo. Indefinite pronoun अगर तो they are used to talk about unclear things. That is unclear thing. मतलब पता नहीं चलेगा. I want to eat something. मतलब that is मतलब पता नहीं चीज़ तो पढ़ पढ़ा. Anything that is yes sir. Anything I can eat. has is a correlation. So here something, anything, and nothing are called indefinite pronouns. So something, anything, and nothing comes to go indefinite pronouns. Listen, they are used to talk about unclear things. Unclear things मतलब तारी clear thing. Understand now? Question. Okay, something is used in positive sentences. Something का मतलब positive sentence के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा. और positive sentence के मुस्बत जुमलों के इस्तेमाल हो. He wants something to eat. अगर the word is clear, भी हुआ. Something हर से के लिए जो unclear देगा, दस से दिया unclear देगा, उसको पता नहीं चलेगा ना. We don't know about it. I want to eat something good. It's a point to suffer from. It's a particular show or name, but it's a part. So it talks about the unclear things. हम जिस बारे में खबर है the unclear things. Okay, next thing is Ali bought something for the party. Ali honestly, this is a party है. Are we sure that Ali bought a gift for a party? पूरा हम sure नहीं करना. So something sorry it talks about unclear things. This is unclear. Unclear things बारे में खबर है. Something से अगस्त दी उसका पता नहीं कैसे अगस्त दिया. Ali अगस्त दी वो से अगस्त something अगस्त दी उसका बारे में वो पार्ट दे रहा. Okay, next one. Anything is used in negative and interrogative structure sentence. Anything on negative structure. Anything बहुत कुछ किससे मालूम हो? पर negative sentence के वजह से मालूम और पर interrogative sentence के वजह से मालूम हो. For example, I did not see anything in the class yesterday. तो तब हम negative sentence लगाना. Negative दा वो मान इसका मतलब कहता है चित्र की class किया. ना anything से शेयर Damasara indefinite pronoun they it talks about unclear things. The unclear thing बारे में समझ रहे हो. The anything मुमस्सला बारे में मालूम हो, क्वेश्चन से किससे मालूम हो, पर negative sentence के से मालूम हो, और क्वेश्चन से क्या मतलब पर interrogative sentence के से मालूम हो. Next time जरा did she write anything in her notebook? आगे सब full notebook की लिख ली दिया. Understand में कोई करा. आगे full notebook की लिख ली वो. Did she write anything? Did she write anything in her notebook? Understand? So here, anything it is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite does show indefinite pronoun. It talks about the unclear things. It talks about the unclear things. Okay, next time nothing is used in positive sentences. Nothing but मुख्तलिफ sentences की इस्तेमाल हो. Listen, something चीजें वो positive sentence के इस्तेमाल हुआ. Yes, next time anything but मुख्तलिफ पर negative के इस्तेमाल oblique sentence का इस्तेमाल हो. पर interrogative के बाद और nothing nothing but positive इस्तेमाल हो. So it gives us negative meaning. Now दूसरा क्या negative meaning. For example, I want to eat nothing. So positive is समझ लो ना. So I want to eat nothing. That was the sentence positive. So it gives us a negative meaning. That was the meaning आ गया negative meaning आ गया. For example, I don't want to eat food. I don't want to eat. मतलब से I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. यदि मतलब I want to eat nothing. I don't want to eat. Understand? Yes, good job. Okay. Any problem with the topic? Any question? Hey, mister. You can hear. Any problem? Issue? Who should be? Topic one question. आसान जबान जो का indefinite pronoun अगर तो it talks about unspecific person, place, and thing. व्यापक शब्द दिया and something or anything or nothing. दबा से दिया indefinite pronoun दिया. दबा से सिर्फ बारे से हमारा it talks about unclear things. The unclear thing बारे की चीज़ खबर को वो गैर यकीनी चीज़ों और नहीं हो यकीनी की नहीं हो. आगे बारे की चीज़ खबर को अभी तो वो इस्तेमाल हो something, anything, and nothing इस्तेमाल हो. और something हम positive sentence इस्तेमाल हो. Next one sir anything हम negative or interrogative इस्तेमाल हो. Third one there sir nothing हम positive इस्तेमाल हो. It gives us a negative meaning. Let's come toward the next topic. It is plus adjective plus to plus word plus. Listen So this is called infinitive. This is the word infinitive. To plus word plus form is called infinitive. To the one brush can other the room is the word infinitive. Okay, why do you use this structure? The structure more is sahil. This structure is used to show how someone feels about doing something. About doing something. For example, do خلق سين ده بيمسك على كاربيو. خلق سين ده بيمسك. شيء كار كده سين ده بيمسك. خلق كده سين ده بيمسك. جيس ده كاربوما. خلق كده عام استلاح خلق كده سين ده بيمسك. جيس أجد كاربيو. For example, زي كده it is hard to learn new language. وده अच्छा तफारक मुश्किल कर देगा ना जिन्हें भी language तकिया. It is hard to learn new language. The word this structure is used to show how someone يوكسر سين virgüye يوكار كوريا. This double was अकल सिंह में सुसिया. It is hard. मुश्किल में सुसिया. English is तकिया. जिससे कि नवे language तकिया. Next answer, it is important to learn English. That was ज़रूरी English तकिया. तो हर जब अच्छा पर ज़रूरी करना. लोगों का it is used to show how someone feels about doing something. About doing something. Yes. Any? Just leave it. Hurry up. Any question? The question, sir? I'm still waiting. Learn your hours. Okay, who can make an example? We can sentence to do. Sentence or hours. It is easy to learn English. Good job. Nice. No, negative sugar. It is not easy to learn English. Negative to learn. Positive sentence to do. Hours. Yes. In a sentence. It is
fantastic to solve equations.
to solve.
Equations.
Good job, nice, outstanding. It is interesting, America. Fantastic, America. It is interesting to solve our problems. Good job, nice. Make us example, Shabbos.
It is good to speak English.
It is good to speak English. Outstanding. अच्छा देखो done speaking English हुआ यार. वो एक ना. Next one. It is hard to play hockey. Good job. Nice, smart. And what?
Now, moving.
It is difficult to see on a blank eye. Huh?
It is.
It is difficult to see people at night. It is difficult to listen. It is difficult to see people at night. ना मुश्किल थी जिस पर ये खराब हो गया. ये मुश्किल ही करना.
It is hard to play badminton.
To play outstanding. Good job.
It is
It
good.
is easy to play.
It is easy to play soccer, football, cricket.
It is joyful moment to buy and
Nice. Okay, great. Outstanding. Open your book, Shabbos. Book up very good. There is no topics. There are new topics. Open your book, Shabbos. Book up very. Check page number. Hurry up. I know. Page number 53. No. Page number
54.
we have studied about the page number 54. Okay, today interaction number 6. Interaction number 6. Sahil, open your book. Hurry up. Open your book. Korea. Number 9. Variation number 9. Coordination with and so plus verb plus some plus noun.
Which page, son?
Coordination and so plus verb plus some plus noun. Anyone who can tell me about this structure?
That is not.
This structure is in level 2 class. This structure is in level 2 class. I still remember about it. Coordination and so plus verb plus some plus noun. For instance, Ali speaks English and so does Hamad. And so does Hamad. Listen to us, sir. This is not my responsibility to teach this topic again, but I'm going to revise it again. This is the topic in level 2. Okay, I still know this is the topic in level 2 class, so you have studied about it. Understand? So coordination, topic coordination with and so plus word plus some plus noun. Listen to us. Why do we use this structure? The structure what is it is used to show. It is used to talk about two persons, two places, or two things performing the same action. For instance, Ali speaks English and so does Hamad. Ali can also speak English and Hamad also speak English. So here, two persons are performing the same action. Next, I told you both sentences must be positive. The rules that when we will go for this structure, both sentences must be positive, both sentences must have same tense, and both sentences must have same idea. Listen, I told you coordination with and so plus word plus some plus noun. This structure is used when two persons, two places, and two things are performing the same action. For example, Ali speak English, Hamad speak English. We say Ali speaks English. Ali speaks English, and we say Hamad speaks English. It looks very awkward. I'm going to make one sentence from it. For instance, Ali speaks English and so does Hamad. Why did I go for this structure? Because both sentences have same tense, both sentences have same idea, both persons are performing the same action, and both sentences are in a one tense. This is also simple present tense and this is also simple present tense. So that is why I go for this structure. Ali speaks English and so does Hamad.
Yes, sir. Ali played cricket and so Ahmad.
And so does Hamad.
No, sir, that's not it.
Ali played cricket and so did Hamad. Good job. This is true, sir. Any donation? Listen, Ali speaks English, Hamad speaks English. The दो sentences दिया जिसके मुझसे भी structure है आगे तो सब हुआ coordination with and so plus word plus from plus noun दाला structure चीज़ करना चिकन मुझे द structure बमुन कल इस्तेमाल हुआ द structure बा आज इस्तेमाल हुआ चिकन मुझे सारी दो sentences ही दिया same idea दिया दो sentences same idea दिया for example the idea or the idea same लगना दो English में करना कहते थे कि जो हमारा speaks Urdu they are going to school then we cannot make it they are going to school Ali speaks English Hamad speaks English तो same idea लगना तो कम tense दिया simple present tense दिया मुंबई से वो listen Ali speaks English अगर हम sentence को दोबारा लिखूं और दिन बार बस समझता हुआ जो हुआ and so दिन बार बस हुआ जो हुआ and so does بقى خلي سنسلوز ده كما بين كلام مثلا subject singular में नो do does ده हुआ तो देते कि वो auxiliary by इस्तेमाल हुआ देते कि मतलब do इस्तेमाल हुआ does by इस्तेमाल हुआ देते कि मतलब हमारा singular है हमारा चीज है singular है so that is why played soccer. I played soccer. Next sentence answer. Anfal played. Anfal played soccer. Anfal played soccer. Listen students, I need rotation now. This is called both have sentence or body sentence लिखना. Done simple past tense is done simple past tense. Done positive sentence था done positive sentence. The word idea send करना. यो idea रख करना. माँ क्रिकेट करे हो अनफाल क्रिकेट करे रहा. तो वो कभी ना वो से जुड़ा हुआ. I played soccer and so huh? And so did Anfal. And so did Anfal. And so did Anfal. For example, next semester, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Okay, Sahil is a teacher. Sahil is a teacher. Listen, sir. How to make it? You know what is your I got a word sentence. What tense there?
Present
Simple present tense देखना. Now see, I am a teacher. Jab teacher यहाँ और Sahil से दिया, I am a teacher दिया. But same idea रहता है. Same idea है. But positive tense दिखना. Positive tense दिखना. तो सीधा हुए I am a teacher. And so is Sahil. Great. And so is Sahil. Kada maan sakte ki to viewer to viewer. Understand? Any problem? Go to home and you number. They will do it already. They will do it after kita topic करेगा. They will do it already after kita topic करेगा. वो देखिए कि माने इस्तेमाल करेगा ना. Don't sentence. Don't simple sentence. ऊपर देखिए Now simple present tense. Simple present tense means your permanent tense is your temporary there. So Sahil is a teacher. Sahil is a teacher there. It is Saval she here, Dr. She. The temporary effect there. What is called permanent effect? For example, Allah is one. Allah is here. Allah is here. Allah is
one.
Allah is one. Allah is your. That is a simple present tense. Okay, effect is permanent effect there. दुनिया की दान कल होने चाहिए इस कल that's called permanent factor तो simple present tense से करना तो उसके साथ में भी simple present tense से करना जब सर की talks about the permanent factor or temporary factor permanent factor के मुकाबले में और temporary factor for example I am a student the temporary factor करना बाकी हकीकत करना I am a student so आज जब बात करते हैं student के बारे में किसी सवाल जवाब ये सवाल जो इंजीनियर सवाल so this is called temporary factor और वो permanent factor तो यार sun rises from the east. Allah is one. Allah is here. You are there. That must be permanent fact. Permanent fact. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next thing. Any question? This is what. Believe in me, these all topics are very significant. Okay, go to home and study it again. If you do not understand it, you can ask question in group. You can ask, even you can call me. Sorry, I didn't understand this topic. If you can explain it again, so I'll make you understand again. Understand now? I'll revise it again. But the rest, writing and learning, that is your responsibility. Okay? I cannot go to your home. Come on, not it down, not it down this topic. If you did not write your topic, so you have to take a number from someone and write it again. Let us do manipulation. Look at here. Tomorrow, make 5 sentences, something or anything or nothing. These three one original terms of here, 5 sentences are here. Welcome topic here. It is adjective plus 2 words word plus comma. 10 स्ट्रक्चर का इस्तेमाल से हम 5 सेंटेंस बदी की जोड़ी गया और 5 सेंटेंस के बाद दरी स्ट्रक्चर का जोड़ी गया coordination and so what is the structure then that's so much of sharing showers anyone according to grammar so sharing that then huh dan hal sama ni tu कोई कर दो ya jadi kita adverb देखना this is why adverb understand now for example she is so intelligent so jadi kita assume she is so intelligent intelligent good job jadi so she is so intelligent jadi kita assume dia adverb if I say doesn't it say it is raining so I am not going to the pool it is rainy so I am not going to the pool
Raining,
yeah it is raining yes it is raining so I am not going to the pool that's the topic taken and that's the so Burhan सोच नहीं रहा सर coordination conjunction दिया सोच दिल्ली की राशि एक conjunction है coordinating conjunction है it connects जैसे कि सोच नहीं करना समझ लग गया therefore इसलिए understand therefore okay there is a topic I teach again okay don't worry about it so thank you so much any question regarding to the topic thanks so much and have a nice day did I take a minute Please, can you stop talking? Stop talking. Christian, not your ears. Anfal, Maria, Nyamat, Muzammil, Ubaid, Hafiz, Sahil, why your action is today? Yes, Salman, Ahmad, Afsar, Mansoor, yes, Safia,
Yes.
Aisha, Fatma, Ayan, Ubaid, Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
Next time try to come on time. Today it was a too fast time and I came to class. There was no reading at the class. Only unfollow studies here, so try to come on time. Okay, students, understand? One thing more. If I struggle with your try, you have to struggle much. ताकि तुम्हारे ज़्यादा मेहनत करो जितना मेहनत करो ताकि तुम्हारे ज़्यादा करो so thank you so much and have a nice day have a last day really
Sunday is a fun day.